Rob here with this just in. There we got a 2019 Chevy Silverado. This one's got the 2.7 liter. This one's got some nice factory 22s on it. Look at there, tires are nice. 2 owners, no accidents on the Carfax. Got 102,000 miles on it. I'll tell you what, this is a good looking truck. You got a little small ding right there. This one's got the advanced trailering package. Nice tonneau cover. Power tailgate. Check it out, huh? $24,995. Trucks are hard to get right now. Come and get her before she's gone. Ontario, Ohio, Graham Outlet, where everyone rides.